मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त कुछ कह रहे हैं, वो सुनवा देते हैं।
संतोष प्रकट किया है और कुछ सुझाव दिए हैं। Political parties have requested the commission that there should be robust and effective deployment of central police forces at polling stations and nearby areas, and they want that this central police force should be employed for area domination and route marches violence if not checked in time. They have also requested that action of some officials on both on civil and police side need to be kept under strict vigilance, and those found favoring political parties or candidates must be brought to books. They have once again drawn our attention that there is going to be large scale distribution of liquor, drugs and cash distribution in certain identified pockets, and then they have requested strong and forceful preventive action. हमारी राजनीतिक पार्टियों ने मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट के बारे में कुछ हमारा ध्यान आकर्षित किया है। उसमें पहला बात तो यह है कि ब्लू राशन कार्ड्स अभी भी इस्तेमाल हो रहे हैं जिसमें राजनीतिक हस्तियों के फोटो छपे हुए हैं, और ये हमारी आचार संहिता का उल्लंघन है और ये लेवल प्लेइंग फील्ड को डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है। दूसरा, उन्होंने हमारा ध्यान इस ओर आकर्षित किया है कि लार्ज नंबर ऑफ सिक्योरिटी कवर्स हैव बीन प्रोवाइडेड टू large number of political persons, some in authorized way, some in unauthorized way, and these security personnel are being used by these political leaders to intimidate voters in their constituencies. एक चीज और उन्होंने कही है कि पंजाब राज्य में काफी संख्या में पॉलिटिकल पर्सन्स को स्टैट्यूटरी बोर्ड्स के अध्यक्षों का, डायरेक्टर्स का अपॉइंटमेंट किया गया है, और वो इस मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट के पीरियड में बहुत सारे स्टैट्यूटरी फंक्शंस डिस्चार्ज कर रहे हैं, और उन स्टैट्यूटरी फंक्शंस के डिस्चार्ज करने में वो पॉलिटिकल माइलेज भी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं। अभी भी बहुत सारे राजनीतिक लोग, पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने बताया है कि वो बिग कॉन्वॉयज, दे आर मूविंग अराउंड इन बिग कॉन्वॉयज more than what is permissible under the model code of conduct. और एक महत्वपूर्ण जानकारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ने और दी है कि राज्य के कुछ एरियाज में अभी भी हल्का इंचार्ज, हमारे जो लोकल लेवल के ऑफिशियल्स हैं, खास तौर से पुलिस ऑफिशियल्स, उनके कामकाज में दखलंदाजी कर रहे हैं और इंटरफेरेंस कर रहे हैं। कमीशन ने हमारी राजनीतिक पार्टियों के इन सभी सुझावों को, इन सभी बातों को बहुत ध्यानपूर्वक सुना है, और हमने राजनीतिक पार्टियों को अश्योर किया है कि जो बिंदु उन्होंने हमारे सामने उठाए हैं उनके ऊपर इफेक्टिव कार्रवाई हम राज्य प्रशासन और जिला प्रशासन के माध्यम से कराएंगे। और द इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज अकॉर्डिंगली इन द मीटिंग ऑफ डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिशियल्स, in the meeting of state senior officials of the state administration, have directed, and I will just apprise you on behalf of the commission what directions and what actions we have taken to assure our political parties and to ensure that there is a level playing field in the state. चुनाव आयोग हमेशा से एक ऐसे माहौल को बनाने में कोशिश करते हैं कि ताकि हमारे वोटर्स निर्भय हो करके और बिना किसी डर और आतंक के, बिना किसी अन्य प्रकार के प्रलोभनों को नज़रअंदाज करते हुए वो हमारे यहाँ वोट डालें। तो इसको बनाने की दिशा में हमने काफ़ी कदम उठाए हैं और जिसके बारे में हम आपको बताना चाहेंगे। एक तो पंजाब राज्य में जनरल और पुलिस ऑब्जर्वर्स को लगाया गया है, जो लोकल एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की सभी एक्टिविटीज़ जो चुनाव आयोग के द्वारा निर्देशित हैं उनके एग्जीक्यूशन में ओवरसाइट करेंगे और उसको जहां पे जरूरत होगी वहां पर वो गाइड करेंगे और कमीशन को रिपोर्ट करेंगे। दूसरा, इलेक्शन कमीशन हैज डायरेक्टेड ऑल द डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफिशियल्स एंड पुलिस ऑफिशियल टू हाइटन द एक्शन अगेंस्ट ट्रबल मॉन्गर्स, एंटी सोशल एलिमेंट्स, bad characters, gundas, proclaimed offenders and bail jumpers. And we have been assured by all police authorities and district authorities that they will follow our instructions very strictly. All district officials, and we have also reviewed the meeting with the additional DG jails, we have directed that all jails of the Punjab state will be regularly inspected, will be regularly subjected to surveillance. And I would just elaborate in a minute what actions are being pursued. We have directed our state administration officials, Director General Police and Chief Secretary and Additional Director General Security, that they must review cases where the security cover has been provided, where the large number of gunners have been provided in an unauthorized manner, and these personnel will not be allowed to vitiate the process. And we have been assured by the officials that they will immediately undertake an appropriate assessment as per the laid down procedures. 4,000 polling stations will be covered under webcasting, and videography would also be conducted at maximum number of polling stations. CCTV will also be employed, not only at polling stations but also at checkposts and inter-border security posts for effective monitoring. Commission has deployed adequate number of central police forces. A part of that contingent has already arrived in the state, and we have asked district officials to make daily program of this central police force to visit our vulnerable locations, areas where weaker section of the society are living, to instill confidence in these people. And the commission and the district officials, including our chief electoral officer, will monitor this. Very good progress has been made with regard to deposition of licensed arms. We have been told that 63% arms have already been deposited, and we have been assured by all the district officials that in coming days this will be further heightened. International borders, interstate borders are also being subjected to surveillance by our checkposts. Commission has also directed the district officials and the state officials that they will mount surveillance to prevent cross-border smuggling of drugs, liquor from neighboring state as well as international borders. Now we have reviewed the surveillance process of our jails with additional DG jails and Principal Secretary Home. Now jails in general will be brought under special surveillance during election period. Special standard operating procedures have been prepared to isolate dreaded criminals, and also video cameras are also being installed in central jails, district jails, and they are all being connected with the control room of Additional Director General Prison. Jammers, likelihood of deployment of central police forces, including shifting of inmates to other jails, is also on the anvil. We have also been informed by the state administration that 304 gunners have already been withdrawn from political persons. We have directed all the district magistrate, all SP and the state level officials that Halka in charges will not be allowed to interfere with our election machinery under any condition. We have directed our authorities that in case they find so, they would immediately reshuffle within the district, outside the district, and if need be, subject them to necessary action. As regards appointment of political functionaries on the board of statutory bodies, we have already directed Chief Secretary of the State Administration that the statutory functions of these statutory bodies will be discharged by our secretaries or any other authorized official during this period, which is considered to be emergent. Otherwise, this can wait for the model code of conduct to be over by
पंजाब में चुनावों को लेकर किस तरह से तैयारी की गई है, मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त नसीम जैदी बता रहे हैं। चंडीगढ़ पहुंचे हुए हैं अपनी टीम के साथ और यहां उन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह से जो है अभी भी कानून की उल्लंघना की जा रही है, तो उसको किस तरह से काबू किया जाए, किस तरह से कंट्रोल किया जा रहा है, वो सारी जानकारी आज नसीम जैदी दे रहे हैं।